Hi everyone, welcome back to another tutorial from Gaming for Beginners. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in one's human game. Changing the language in one's human can help you improve your experience, especially if you prefer instructions, menus, and dialogues in your native language. So in order to change the language setting on one's human, launch open the one's human game on your device. You can open it up on your mobile device, tablets, or PC and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're inside the game, go to the top right section of the screen and tap on the three dots. In the pop-up, click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, look for the language option under Basics at the top and tap on it, and then change to the language of your preference. Tap on the language option you want to change to, and in order to change the language or let the language take effect, click on Confirm and restart your game. Soon after the game restarts, you will be able to load the game in your chosen language. All the menus, text, and dialogue should now appear in your selected language. So that is how you will be able to change your language setting in one's human using your mobile device, tablets, or PC. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thanks for watching.